Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be layering shapes in Google Drawings to create our own digital art. Let's get started. To begin, if you're working off our slideshow, you can click on that image there to create your own copy of the sample drawing. In Google Drawings, we're really going to be focused on this drawing icon way up there. That's going to give you so many different options for shapes. I'm going to click on this little arch for our sample here and to show you the basics. You're going to think about the fill color most often with each of your shapes, but don't forget there is a gradient and you can customize your own gradient if you'd like. The border color isn't the only thing to think about. You also have the thickness and the style, whether it's like a dash or a dotted line. And under format, there is a few more options here if you want to like double up the line or give it like a little curve or something. Once you have your shape the way you like it, I recommend right clicking on it and you can rotate order. The order gives you that middle ground, background, foreground. Like say I want to send this backwards. Now when I move the cloud over, it's going to be on top. Let's go ahead and make the cloud bigger while I'm at it. There we go. With different objects, you do have formatting options right up here, and those formatting options are going to appear over here. There's so many ways to really like detail, like move it over just a little, rotate it just a tiny bit. If you're not getting that detailing that you're wanting to get while you're working on your Google drawing. Well, I can't wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.